Hi, I'm Dr. Geeta. I'm from Malaysia. Actually, I completed my PhD in molecular medicines, where I'm a pure biology student. I don't have any background on a computer or coding, IT, or nothing. I'm zero on that. But I'm currently now doing my data science with the Careerera institution because due to the AI development in the healthcare system, so I got interested on this field. Then I come across with the Careerera institution, so with their help, and then now I'm actually enrolled in the data science program, and we are already almost half of the courses we already done in the Python. And their tutoring, their style, the arrangement of the classes are really perfect. And I would like to mention here my tutor, Mr. Nikhil Garg. He's a really good person, where he can explain nicely, clearly, where a person who doesn't have any kind of a coding background like me, we can actually can give a command, we can understand the examples of how to give a coding for certain types of the cases or scenarios. So he's really good in that. He's really patient on that, and then he really good. I could say that he's really good in teaching in a this kind of things, even though to explain. He can give us various of types of the examples, and he do spend his time for us to explain our doubts and everything. So I really glad to enroll in a data science courses which is given by Careerera Institute. And I would like to take this opportunity to say thank you to my tutor and also my guide, where all the time, doesn't matter in any time, whenever we send the email or messages, the supporting team and also all the members in the particular organization, they're really helping us very well. So it's really good and nice. I'm happy. So thank you so much to giving us this wonderful courses with a good tutors and also supporting team. So thank you, Careerera.